Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Splitwise app works and what makes it useful for managing shared expenses with friends, roommates, or travel groups. Splitwise is a free app designed to help users track, split, and settle expenses. Whether you're living with roommates, planning a trip with friends, or managing group gifts or bills, Splitwise offers an organized way to handle shared finances. Once you've downloaded the app, you can create or join a group, add your expenses, and assign the amount each person owes or paid. The app does all the math and maintains a running total of who owes whom, eliminating the hassle of manual calculations. The user interface is simple and intuitive. You can add expenses with notes, photos, and custom categories, and choose how to split them equally, by percentage, shares, or exact amounts. Every time a new expense is added, Splitwise updates balances for each member. It also supports recurring expenses, perfect for things like rent or monthly subscriptions. Notifications keep everyone updated, and the app keeps a detailed history of all transactions for transparency. Another strong feature of Splitwise is its integration with payment apps like PayPal and Venmo, depending on your location. While Splitwise itself doesn't process payments directly, it links you out to make settling up easier. You can also export group summaries or individual balances, which is helpful for financial tracking or accountability. However, there are some drawbacks. While the basic features are free, certain advanced tools like currency conversion, receipt scanning, and itemized bill splits require a pro subscription. The free version can be limiting if you're managing complex or multi-currency expenses. Also, Splitwise doesn't handle actual money transfers, so users still have to rely on separate payment platforms to finalize debts. Overall, Splitwise is a practical app for managing shared expenses. Its clean layout, smart calculation tools, and ability to reduce awkward money conversations make it a go-to app for many users. It's especially useful for students, roommates, or frequent travelers. If you're looking for an efficient way to track and settle group expenses without the stress, Splitwise is definitely worth trying. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.